Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Mailchimp billing adjustments, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Mailchimp billing adjustments, first, log in to your Mailchimp account. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile name in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In the Account Overview section, locate and click on the Billing tab. Scroll down to find the Billing Adjustments section. Here, you will see a list of any billing adjustments that have been applied to your account. To withdraw from a billing adjustment, identify the specific adjustment you wish to withdraw from. Click on the Withdraw button next to that adjustment. A prompt will appear confirming your desire to withdraw. Review the details carefully to ensure you are withdrawing from the correct adjustment. Once confirmed, click on the Confirm Withdrawal button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been successfully processed. Check your email for any notifications regarding your withdrawal status. If you have any issues, navigate back to the Support tab in your account settings. From there, you can contact Mailchimp support for further assistance. Make sure to document any correspondence with support for your records. Regularly check your billing history to confirm that the withdrawal has taken effect. You are now successfully withdrawn from the selected Mailchimp billing adjustment. Feel free to repeat this process for any other adjustments in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.